Hey guys, wanted to take a quick minute and show you our Kubota SVL forestry door. This is made out of 1/2 inch thick polycarbonate. We actually use a premium grade of polycarbonate that is has extra properties for being UV and scratch resistant. So anyway, this is a direct OEM replacement for part number V0621-34520. And it's designed to reuse your existing factory hardware, guys. So if your glass breaks, you can just order this guy, drop it right in, just reuse your handle and windshield wiper set. All of that will fit right in. And the way we do that is we machine pockets, which are recesses in the this is the outside of the door, by the way, where the hardware can fit in there. And so what remains is the thickness of the old glass on the inside. All right, we'll take a look at the other side. On the other side is pretty much the same. You can see we've got the holes for the hardware, obviously, and the perimeter is machined down about 30 or 40 thousandth around the edge, so it gives you a nice surface to adhere to the frame for the roll-up door. And we also sell the polyurethane 3M adhesive for this as well.